So we're always checking out what's new on AIagentstore.ai, and something definitely got my eye this time.
Oh, yeah. What was it?
Something that looks like it could be really useful for, well, anyone trying to boost their online stuff, creators, marketers.
Okay, I think I know what you might be talking about. Are we looking at Quso AI? It used to be video.ai.
That's the one, Quso AI. Yeah, let's explore that. What's the main mission here for someone listening? What should they get out of this?
Right. Well, the goal is really to understand what Quso AI can actually do. How it streamlines things like content creation, video editing, social media,
Yeah.
basically how it saves time and maybe boosts your impact online.
Okay, Quso AI. So break it down for us. What's the core concept?
Think of it like an AI-powered marketing hub. It's designed to bring a bunch of tools together
Tools for what specifically?
for things like generating content ideas, editing video, handling your social media posting schedules, analyzing how well your content is doing, even optimizing engagement. It's pretty comprehensive.
Right. So let's say someone's juggling a lot, trying to get content out there. What are some concrete features? What can it actually do to help?
Okay, a big one is repurposing. It can take, say, a long video you made
Uh-huh.
and automatically chop it up into shorter, punchy clips.
Mm.
Perfect for things like TikTok, Instagram Reels, Shorts.
That's huge. Because doing that manually takes forever.
Exactly.
Yeah.
People using it have said it, massively cuts down that repurposing time, frees you up for other things.
Okay, that alone sounds pretty valuable. What else?
It also does automatic captions and hashtags for your posts.
Oh, interesting. So no more racking your brain for hashtags.
Pretty much.
Yeah.
It helps with accessibility, obviously, with the captions. But yeah, the AI suggests hashtags to potentially improve discoverability, saves time, and, might even boost your reach without all the guesswork.
Yeah, that makes sense. And what about the actual posting? Managing different platforms is always a pain.
It helps there, too. You can schedule and manage your posts across multiple social accounts right from within Quso AI.
One central place. Nice.
Yeah, streamlines that whole workflow, less hopping between apps.
But you don't want to just post stuff without knowing if it works, right?
Definitely not. And that's where the analytics come in. Quso AI uses its AI to analyze your content's performance.
So it tells you what's hitting and what's missing.
Essentially, yeah. It gives you insights based on data, helping you figure out what resonates with your audience so you can adjust your strategy going forward.
Okay, so for someone maybe running larger marketing campaigns, could this kind of automation really move the needle?
I think so, yeah. By automating chunks of the content creation, editing, scheduling, analysis, it frees up significant time.
Time you could use for, what, more high-level strategy?
Exactly. More strategic planning, creative thinking, other parts of the campaign that need that human touch.
Now, you mentioned AI quite a bit. How much hands-on work is needed once it's, set up? You mentioned autonomy.
Right. They rate its autonomy level quite high, around 87%.
87%. What does that practically mean?
It means the AI is doing a lot of the heavy lifting. Think automated video clipping, guiding B-roll maybe, captioning, figuring out the best times to post based on data, generating those performance reports.
So less day-to-day fiddling required after the initial setup?
That's the idea. Less constant manual input needed once you've given it your goals and initial direction.
Okay, got it. So who is this really built for? Who gets the most benefit?
Well, it seems particularly aimed at content creators, definitely. Digital marketers, social media managers.
Small businesses, maybe?
Yeah, small business owners trying to build that online footprint. Influencers, too. Basically, anyone who's consistently creating and managing online content.
Makes sense. And availability. How can people actually try this out?
It runs on a freemium model.
Ah, so a free version to start.
Likely, yeah. A free tier with basic features, and then you'd pay for more advanced capabilities. And it's worth noting, it's a closed source platform.
Meaning the code isn't public. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So if we had to boil it down, what's the main takeaway for Quso AI?
I'd say the key thing is that it offers this comprehensive suite of AI tools. They're all focused on automating and improving different parts of creating and managing your online content.
And the big promise is saving time and boosting impact.
That's the core value proposition, yes. Potential for significant time savings and better results online.
It really makes you think. When AI tools like this become more autonomous, handling so much of the workflow, how does that change your approach? If you get all this time back, what new things could you explore, creatively or strategically?
That's a really interesting point. It shifts the focus, doesn't it? Maybe more towards the bigger picture, the actual ideas,
Yep.
rather than just the execution.
Exactly. Lots to consider there. Well, if you're curious about Quso AI or want to check out other AI agents and tools like it, head over to aiagentstore.ai.
Good place to explore what's out there.